Second question, is your data secure on the Google Cloud platform? Definitely. Chester, would you like to take that further?
Sure. So the one thing to know about data analytics and your data model is making sure when you make use of your data, you architect its connection with security in mind at all times. When myself or Heidi or any one of our engineer colleagues look at an architecture, security is the first thing that comes up. So we make use of tools within Google Cloud because Google Cloud is our preferred platform. And we make use of the tools like DLP, which is data leak prevention. These are APIs that are extremely robust, can integrate in many different ways, and can offer a lot more in terms of preventing data leak rather than detecting and reporting and then having to investigate and action responses. It's always key to be preventative rather than reactive, and that's where we architect.
And all our tools are monitored and logged. So as you're the person using your platform or your tool and using it in the correct way, you can go back and make sure what happened, when, what, and what time.